So if you've ever driven and thought, what would I do if something happened right now, whether that be an accident, an insurance claim, or maybe something crazy on the road, then a dash cam is no longer a luxury. It's pretty much essential. Today I'm looking at the DDPAI Z50 Pro dash cam, and it's a 4K camera that promises better clarity than the usual 1080p HD cameras that are common in cars today. I'm going to unbox it, install it, and show you real footage from the camera and give you my honest feedback on whether it's worth the money. So let's get underway. So we're going to get straight into the box and see what you get. So inside the box you've got the Z50 Pro camera itself, and on the rear it has this wonderfully clear LCD screen. First impressions are it's actually quite sleek. It's not bulky, which is important because you don't want something distracting you on your windscreen. The build quality feels solid, not cheap plastic. It's compact, which means once it's installed you barely notice it, and it has this handy mounting bracket. There is of course a power cable and all of the connections, the adhesive mount or suction mount depending on your version, 4G connectivity and GPS, and your usual manuals and setup guides. You of course also have the rear facing camera for the rear screen. Now let's get this fitted to the car. It should be noted that the wiring kit that comes with the Z50 Pro is an intelligent hardware kit, and this is the best way to wire your dash cam, as you can access the special functions such as the parking monitoring function when the car is not in use. However, it is best to seek a competent auto electrician to fit this if you are not comfortable with wiring in the car. For this demonstration, I am going to use an aftermarket 12-volt power supply and USB-C cable just to show you the image quality during recording. Provided you have got the 12-volt charger version, installation is very straightforward and very quick. And on this car, I'm fortunate I have USB-C power. You simply plug the USB-C lead into the 12-volt charger and then into the back of the DDPAI, like so. We switch the ignition on and it instantly comes to life. And we're going to install the DDPAI just here. It will minimize the obscured view like so, not impacting your vision. It will also give you great access to the camera. And setup is very simple from these buttons at the base of the screen. Full clarity, 4K camera. The supplied memory card slots in just here. Within 15 minutes we have installed this in the car, and we have our second test camera set up against our DDPAI, so we can record both things at the same time, the DDPAI in 4K and this camera in just 1080p. Let's see the clarity difference between these two cameras. Here is an image quality comparison of the two cameras. First up, we've got the DDPAI Z50 Pro, and you can see the clarity of the garden gate with no fuzzy edges around the sign. However, if I overlay the HD camera taken at the same time, you can see the image quality is less clear. I wanted to highlight this to show you the difference between the Z50 Pro and also the HD camera. You can clearly see the Z50 Pro is much clearer here in this still. Now features wise, this is where the Z50 Pro really stands out, especially compared to typical dash cams you find on Amazon. The 4K recording is much sharper than the 1080p. The loop recording, so it never runs out of space, it simply overrides the old footage. G-sensor, that automatically locks in footage if something particular happens during your journey. And the parking mode, if you're using the intelligent wiring system, it's useful if you leave your car parked up somewhere. It's constantly being monitored. For a car like this extra level of protection is actually really valuable. What I like is the timestamp information featured at the bottom of the footage, showing the Z50 Pro details, including the time the image was recorded and of course the speed that the vehicle was travelling at that time. This is 4K and you can immediately see the difference by putting this side by side comparison. Number plates are clearer, road signs are sharper, and overall it gives you more usable footage if you ever need it. Compared to 1080p, it's not even close once you actually see this side by side. For a car like the TT, where you might be taking it out on a weekend drive or road trips, capturing that in high quality is a nice bonus too. So let's talk comparison. Most dash cams people buy are still 1080p, mainly because they're cheaper. But here's the thing, if you ever need to read a number plate in an incident, 1080p can struggle. The DDPAI Z50 Pro 4K gives you that clarity, and that can be the difference between having evidence or not. The rear facing camera sits on the rear screen, and you can operate the main camera independently of this or by plugging in the rear facing camera into the main camera. Use it as an all-round security measure. The rear camera is only 1080p, but that is sufficient due to the vehicles behind having less dynamicism than the front facing action. The number plates behind your car are clear enough due to the proximity of the vehicles and lack of animation in the lens. Also, the app and overall experience feels more modern compared to the cheaper dash cams. The app gives you direct access through Wi-Fi to everything you need on the camera, including settings, real-time data from the car, including geolocations, speed and date, and playback of the recordings, both rear-view camera and front-facing camera. Handy to review any instance directly on your phone before downloading them. So would I recommend the DDPAI Z50 Pro? Well, yes, I actually would. It fits well, it doesn't ruin the look of the interior, and most importantly, it gives you high quality footage when it matters. For TT owners especially, when you've got a car you want to look after, this just adds that extra peace of mind. If you're interested, check the links below. I've put the best deals and full specs in this video description. And at the end of the day, a dash cam is one of those things you never hope you need, but when you do, you'll be glad you've got a good one. I hope you've enjoyed this review of the DDPAI Z50 Pro dashcam, and if you too are looking for a high quality 4K dashcam, you could do worse than picking up one of these. And if you do want to pick one up, then please do check out the links and discounts in this video description to find out how you can get your own cam. Why don't you leave me stories on how dashcams have helped you out in your own driving experience here in the comments. And of course, if you've enjoyed this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, and also think about subscribing to my channel if you have not already done so, where you'll find a whole host of content on Audi TT Mk1s and of course product reviews for great items for motoring in the modern world. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon. Take care.